Hi guys, how to unlock chat on Roblox Kids and Roblox Select. Now, open the Roblox app, select the More menu, 3 dots, or tap the 3-line side menu on mobile, and open Settings. Pick the right option for your device or you'll end up in the wrong menu. Select the Account Info tab and scroll down to the Personal section to check your age settings. Here is a critical fact. If your account shows under 13, text chat will be heavily restricted no matter what you do. Click Continue next to the age check option. Allow camera access and center your face in the on-screen circle to estimate your age group. Pro tip: use bright, even lighting and hold your phone steady. If the scan fails twice, switch to ID verification instead. If a parental account is linked, have a parent sign in, navigate to settings, and select privacy and content restrictions. Without parent approval, the chat options will stay locked even after age verification. Open the communication options, select experience chat or game chat, and toggle this setting to on to unlock chatting.